Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Casablanca 4 Seasons 5-blade model, also known as the Casablanca Nassau. I don't know where people came up with the Nassau for this name because it says 4 Seasons right there. There's the tag. Pretty sure it's from 1989, considering it has a ribbed hanger, which isn't on because it won't mount correctly, and it has bump tip blades, which started in 1989. It's in alright shape. Like, the motor's in nice shape. It's just a switch cap, blade arms, and blades that are in rough shape. And then, yeah, I have a few things I need to fix, because as you can see, blades are all out of whack. I'm not sure if any of the irons are bent, but that flywheel is severely bent, as you can see. These irons are not original. This fan is supposed to be 48 inches, but is now 50 inch with these irons. Judging by the serial number, I'm pretty sure they came off of a Casablanca Delta 2. Considering the last number on the serial tag of the blade brackets is A, and I'm pretty sure that means 3-speed. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pretty sure this fan's from 1989. The model number, there we go, KX. So it was made on the 1st of whatever year and month, and then it was the 29th fan made that day. So this was a very early 4 Seasons. Anyways, let's get to the demonstration. The motor's in really nice shape. It's just, like I said, the blade brackets and blades and switch cap, that just all has to be replaced, and then it should be all set. Oh, yeah, that's what I forgot. I wired the IntelliTouch backwards, so the light button controls the fan, and the fan button would control the light if there was a light, but there's no light. This is the 5-blade variant. There was a 4-blade variant, which was the first 4 Seasons. The 5-blade variant came out, I think, 1988. A few different finishes that these came in. So this one's just snow white. Antique white was an option too. Antique white and brass, polished brass, and antique brass. I'm pretty sure that's all of the finishes for the 5-blade models. I'm not gonna get into depth with the 4-blade finishes, because there were a lot more than just like 5 finishes that I listed. We'll go on to speed 2. This fan did not come with a control. This is just my spare control I found, and that's why I'm using it. I will be selling the blades, brackets, and the switch cap because they're in rough shape, and then I'm going to be getting all new parts for this fan. But that flywheel is going to have to be replaced soon. I don't know how much longer it's going to last. It still has flex in it, but it's just warped, which I don't really like. There's speed 3. Go to speed 4 now. can see, it starts to wobble. It's because of the warped flywheel. We'll go to speed 5 now. Doesn't wobble too bad in speed 5, but speed 6 is where it gets pretty crazy. And here's speed 6. Now we're going to show spin 1. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.